He run to the other end. Rubigo ahead of the pack. He finishes with his offhand. Excellent feed. Herrera connects with Lozano.
This wasn't just a youth game. This was a battle of future stars fighting for respect on a big stage.
Titing has yet to take a rest here in this game. Manalili this time goes inside for another basket. Another three para kay Manalili. Second of the ball game para kay Titing.
Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex and JY Batang Kankalu walked into this matchup stacked with young talent and zero fear, knowing every possession could swing the series.
That's another basket galing dito kay Mac Alfanta.
Luis Pablo and Titing Manalili were locked in for Caloocan, bringing energy, scoring, and leadership,
Step back. Knocks it down. 4 points early para kay Luis.
while Abra answered with a deep lineup led by Justin Lozano and their relentless supporting cast.
Toxin connects with Lozano. Division Finals of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL D-League Season number 2 matchup between the Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex against the JY Caloocan Batang Kankalu. Looking to bring some highlights once more dito sa ating laro. Fires a 3 right away. Just falling with one of the first players na nakita natin dito sa Alonte Sports Arena, Renzo, na maaga nag-warm up for this game number 1, but it's Alfanta who played not a lot in that victory against San Juan. Looking to make an impact here para sa Caloocan. Manghubat makes it 5-0, knocking down the triple.
Back-to-back baskets para dito sa Batang Abra Kankalu.
Coming to go inside, Pablo off the glass. Gets the bounce.
And that's the reason. Well, Masiglat was asking for that ball down low, believing na meron siyang mismatch pero Manguba just opting to shoot that three-pointer. And speaking of shooting a three-pointer, here comes Titing Manalili.
Drops it off to Masiglat. Missing on the short, snap tapit. Mapupunta dito kay Panapanaan. Gets his first basket.
Bigay niya for Batang Abra Weavers.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Batang Abra, 7-6. 5-40 still remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Balik sila kay Pablo kontra Panapanaan. Step back. Knocks it down. 4 points early para kay Luis. Alfanta naman para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Gives them back a 1-point lead, 9-8. Another 3 para kay Manalili. Second of the ball game para kay Titing.
And you can see it in his eyes that he's just looking to score, just looking to lead his team in this game.
Delikado naman ang sasagot para sa Batang Abra. Chamante, same spot. Still the same result. Di niya pa rin mahanap yung kanyang range dito. Pablo gets hacked.
To recover on every possession. Kaya talagang maganda yung kinalabasan ng laro na yun.
Delikado. Able to escape Gagate. Batang Abra up by 2, 13-11. Manalili this time goes inside for another basket. Make that 8 here in the first para kay Titing.
Pero 6 straight points para sa kanya, no? And that's big for Batang Abra Weavers kasi he's one of those guys na hindi naman usually umi-score ng malaki. Pero when he contributes, it adds more problem to the other team.
Under 3 to play now. Panapanaan, kick out. A 3 on the way. Garupil unable to hit. Make that 8 straight para kay Eligado.
Right time itong sa Eligado, no? Just knows where to put himself at. Talagang bibiyayaan lang siya for being in the right place.
Lead up to 6 now. Manalili turns the ball over. Nobody home. Manalili. He's been active in terms of looking for his shot. Shadowed by Lozano. Attacks the lane and gets the end one.
He's a veteran already, he's a smart player, so he knows na gano'n na magiging handling sa kanya. Kaya he approached this game as a scorer, and that's the right thing to do.
Despi gets the ball snatched away by Eligado. Miranda finds an opening. Layup too strong. Balik tayo sa kabila, Manalili. Goes to Despi. Pulls up for a triple. Short. But there is Manzano for the cleanup job. Manalili. Pass to Rubico. Shot clock is down to 10. Rubico decides to pull up for a 3. A short shot. Despi able to keep it alive. Ganda namang galaw sa loob for 2.
Back-to-back offensive rebounds para sa Caloocan.
But the lead down to 8. Delikado, siya naman nasusubok. Ayaw, Rubico with the board. Titing has yet to take a rest here in this game. One-hander will fall, make that 13 now para kay Manalili. That will prompt Coach Denok Miranda to call for a timeout. His team
When you're playing against a guy like Titing Manalili, hindi mo siya kayang stop totally eh. So, kailangan mo lang talagang mamili. And, ayun, yun nga eh. Like what you said, Pablo, just let him work. Pero yun nga eh, kasi parang 80-90% ng kanilang opensa nanggagaling kay Titing Manalili.
Lozano able to hit Gomez on the roll. Layup, ball short. Shot clock did not reset. Lozano still able to score despite being off balance. Hindi na alam niya yan, Nicole Lim yan. Hindi na niya naabutan. Lozano gets another 3 para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Make that 10 points as well para kay Justin.
And again, for Batang Abra Weavers, you don't know where the points are coming from. And that time, Lozano shooting that three-pointer off that crossover.
Cagate. Pag-usapan na nga natin, Renzo, that he has been more active in terms of looking for his shot. But so far, it's Batang Abra na nag-enjoy, allowing him just to do that.
Well, itong si Titing Manalili, he's just really playing 100% wherever he plays it.
Esperanza will call it out. Rubico. His pass stolen away by Alfanta. Locsin. Ilipad. Goes behind the back. Herrera. Hindi nga lang nakompleto but still a 14-point lead para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. 42-28. Manalili. TP hit. Pass stolen by Locsin. Head to Alfanta. Decides to take it all the way and finishes.
That has been the story of this first half. No?
Magubat. Matt Pablo on the switch. Left all alone is Alfanta makes them pay.
That's the second Manalili who was supposed to go out on him. Pero again, great job for Batang Abra Weavers to locate their shooters.
Manalili finally will answer para sa Caloocan. That's the lead down to 17, 47-30. Alfanta this time on the attack. Gets another basket. 7 3-pointer para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. That was Mangubat with his third 3-pointer, I believe, of this game. Abante na ng 22 itong Batang Abra Weavers. Manalili, no look inside. Rubico on the run. Rubico pa rin. Goes to Pablo. Malakas.
Even those shots of Pablo that he usually makes, 100% sa kanya yan eh. But again, he's been struggling. Gotta give credit to the defense of Batang Abra Weavers.
Herrera barrels his way inside. Will be fouled by Rubico. 54-30 now. Last shot time para sa Batang Kangkalu. Manalili. Follow on the floor, says our official. Punta sila kay Pablo. Finds a cutting Rubico. Another sorry miss there para sa Batang Kangkalu. Still some time left. Garupil. Would have counted if it went in. But great recovery para kay Titing Manalili. Nevertheless, Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex sa mga Caloocan.
Well, that's also important, especially in a series like this. No? Ito yung mga players na hindi usually na-filled in, wala sa scouting report ng kalaban. But if you give them a chance, they might be able to help you out. And this is a good start para sa Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. That three-pointer of Matthew Rubico, much needed para sa kanila.
21-point lead para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Panapanaan. Miranda. Pounded by Magno. Shot clock is down to 5. Delicado. Finds Miranda. Just short on the layup. Manalili. Balik sila kay Pablo on the block kontra Eligado. Pablo pa rin, PP hit. Finds Desabel underneath.
And that's what I'm talking about. Batang Abra Weavers, when the defense of Caloocan is clicking already and they kind of figured out din kung anong dapat nila gawin on offense.
A little over 2 minutes gone by. Balik sila kay Pablo. This time on the right side. Hands it off to Rubico for another tray. Gets his second triple dito sa ating third quarter.
And again, itong si Matthew Rubico is such a deadly sniper from the outside. But again, kanina kasi nakita natin, he was trying to get his shots off the dribble and he's more effective off those passes.
10-0 run now para sa Batang Kangkalu. Masiglan. Outside Miranda. Gets denied. Desabel picks it up. Takbo dito ang Batang Kangkalu, but a pass wayward. Stolen away by Lozano. They go to Alfanta. Nabitawan. Another turnover. Down by Mangubat. Decides to pull up for three. Off the mark. Rebound Masiglan. Trying to challenge the defense. Couldn't finish with the left. He run to the other end. Rubico ahead of the pack. He finishes with his offhand.
And what a quarter, what a start on this quarter by Matthew Rubico. Just getting to his spots, not doing anything fancy or special, just shooting the ball when it's open, just running, leaking out of that fast break.
Rubico has 8 dito sa ating third quarter. Manalili to Desabel. Now Pablo gets blocked. Great defense there from Panapanaan. Manguba trying to get it to Ivan, but the ball stolen away. Manalili, spin move. This pass stolen by Ivan Panapanaan. Takbo dito ang Batang Abra Weavers Slamtex. Alfanta, still no goal. But there for the follow. Make it an end one. This pass stolen by Mangubat. Tatapikan naman. Another turnover here para sa Batang Abra. Rubico with a penetration. Will draw the contact and will head to the line for 2.
I think that's 4 straight turnovers para dito sa...
Ang pagsasarili ng bola ang ikakatalo ng kanilang team. Kaya naman double effort ang paalala ni Coach Jojo, especially on defense. Gentlemen.
Maraming salamat. That was Nicole Lim with that report. A sorry miss though para kay Luis Pablo after that excellent find from Rubico.
Napakasigip na pasa nun, but Matthew Rubico was able to deliver that ball to Luis Pablo, and that's another basket galing dito kay
Looks in. Ahead to Alfanta na naman. Challenges Desabel. Missing on the layup. Follow also short, but the third try will fall para kay Masiglat. But Batang Kangkalu, much better third period for them. Starting off with that 10-0 run. They have another opportunity here to trim the lead down. Gazingan strong on the three-pointer. Mangubat falling down. Gets it to Miranda.
I don't think that was the shot that they wanted off that timeout. I think Gazingan, I know Gazingan is a capable shooter from the outside, but he was off balance on that shot.
Miranda dropping it off. Masiglat with a bucket. At 15 in that first half. Still scoreless dito sa ating third quarter. That time able to find Panelo but blocked by Herrera. Nakabawi naman si Herrera sa kabila. Excellent feed. Herrera connects with Lozano.
And this is usually what happens for Batang Abra Weavers. They get a stop on the defensive end. And then on the other end, kung sino pa yung naka-block, siya pa yung makakagawa talaga ng play para sa kanila.
Lead up to 23 once again. 68-45. Minute and 21 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Manalili. Outside Magno. Balik sila kay Titing. Trying to back down. Looks in. Drops it off. Ayaw pa din. That time Gagate with a miss.
That's another sorry miss para sa Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Again, we can see the thing Manalili just really trying to find opportunities for his team. But well, this is still very manageable for Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. They obviously have the players para makahabol dito, no? Very capable of catching up, pero kailangan na nilang gawin ngayon.
Trying to go for that eye-in-the-sky play, however.
Moves. And again, lefty kasi to so medyo mahirap din talagang basahin kung ano yung gagawin niya.
Luxin connects with Lozano. Another dime para kay Jid.
And itong si Luxin, he's been playing very well. he's just orchestrating very well. Every time he comes in, talagang merong automatic na mga 2 to 3 assists agad.
Pablo, finally.
Really just attack that shaded area, just kick it off to Matthew Rubico or one of your shooters. Pero si Rubico, I mean, hindi niya na nadugtungan yung kanyang mainit na start in that third quarter.
Mangubat, able to zip it inside to Panapanaan. Yet another assist.
Which is Luxin.
9 assists na para dito kay Luxin. Something I'm sure that will put a smile on your face, Renzo, no? Making an impact in the assist category. Also has 9 rebounds. Itong si Jid Luxin.
And that's very, very rare nowadays, especially with.
Baga ano yung hinihingi sa kanya ng batang Kangkalu.
And for sure, he's gonna get some minutes for the next game, no? And again, ito yung mga kailangan makita ng coaching staff ng.
And Masiglat, shadowed by 2, batang Kangkalus. Garupil with a save, stolen by Manalili. Trying to get it ahead to Rubico. Nagtang agaw doon, credit Herrera for that steal. Garupil with a jumper, short. $17-point lead pa rin para sa batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. Shot is down to 5. Alpanta pulls the trigger. Gets another triple. Mac Alpanta has 22.
Right in front of Titing Manalili. That was heavily contested. But Mac Alfanta was able to. They've done a great job so far in this game 1, but this doesn't end here. Alam nila yun eh. Obviously yung coaching staff nila, they all reminded these players.
Led by Nicole Lim with the best player of the game and the winning coach. Unahin na nga natin ang ating the Hustle Club Defensive Player of the Game. It's Ivan Panapanaan, 10 rebounds to go with 1 block. It's just a balanced attack para dito sa batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. Ang ating Don Benitos assist man of the game naman. No surprise here, Jid Luxin. Nahiya pa, just 9 assists.